what is a QDRO? Okay, so in divorces, if you have a retirement plan or your spouse has a retirement plan, there needs to be a way to split that retirement plan. And a QDRO is a qualified domestic relations order. Okay, so it's an order entered by the court which splits that plan. So let's say you have a 401k, or your spouse has a 401k, and it needs to be split. And because you want your marital portion out of it, and the other side wants to keep theirs. So the qualified domestic relations order splits it, segregates it, and into two separate accounts. So that's a very quick way of explaining it. Our office personally refers out QDROs to QDRO attorneys that specialize in this area and prepare QDROs, and we can put you in touch with somebody that does a QDRO and prepares a QDRO. And again, I'm just going to keep saying QDRO. Divorce and family law attorneys, we just get so used to hearing the term, but again, QDRO is a qualified domestic relations order. It's a qualified domestic relations order, or QDRO. So that's what it is. It's to split up a retirement account. Some accounts do not need a QDRO, and that's to speak with an attorney about what accounts do need a QDRO to be entered, or a military pension division order or something similar to that, or which types of accounts do not need an order. So that's a quick answer. Hopefully kept it under 2 minutes. If I didn't, sorry. I apologize profusely. And I hope you have a wonderful day. This is William S. Foley from William S. Foley, PA. Thank you.